The best travel adapters of 2026 that make charging simple, safe, and efficient anywhere in the world. From compact designs to smart features, these adapters are a must-have for every traveler. Do not forget to check the links in the description for full specifications and the latest deals. Number 5. The EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter TA105 is a highly versatile and reliable solution for travelers who need to keep their devices powered around the world. Finished in a modern gray color, it is compact and lightweight at just 5.1 ounces, making it convenient to carry in luggage, backpacks, or even a handbag. Its small size of 2.8 by 1.97 by 2.05 inches ensures it will not occupy excessive space, yet it provides powerful functionality. This travel adapter covers over 200 countries, including the United States, Canada, Japan, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, China, and Australia, making it an ideal choice for international trips. The adapter allows charging of up to 6 devices simultaneously, featuring 4 USB-A ports rated at 2.4 amps, 1 USB-C port rated at 3 amps, and 1 AC socket. This makes it perfect for charging smartphones, tablets, laptops, power banks, cameras, and other essential devices while on the go. Safety is a major advantage with the EPICKA adapter. It comes with a built-in 10-amp fuse, safety shutters, and a secure plug lock system. Additionally, it is RoHS, CE, and FCC certified, ensuring compliance with international safety standards. It is important to note that this device is not a voltage converter and is therefore not suitable for high-power appliances such as hair dryers or irons. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year limited warranty, the EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter provides a dependable, convenient, and safe solution for travelers who need efficient charging wherever they go. Number 4. The Acer 70W GaN Universal Travel Plug Adapter is an excellent companion for any traveler who needs to keep multiple devices charged efficiently while on the move. This adapter features a sleek black design, weighs only 0.2 pounds, and measures a compact 1 by 1 by 1 inches, making it highly portable and easy to pack in luggage, backpacks, or even a small purse. Its small size does not compromise its functionality, providing convenience without taking up space. Equipped with 5 USB ports and 1 AC outlet, the Acer Travel Adapter allows charging of up to 6 devices simultaneously. It includes 3 USB-C ports capable of delivering 3.0 amps or 60 watts each, along with 1 USB-A port providing 2.4 amps or 12 watts. This setup is ideal for charging laptops, smartphones, tablets, cameras, earbuds, and power banks, offering fast and reliable charging during travel. The maximum combined output for the USB ports is 5.6 amps or 28 watts, ensuring efficient power delivery to all devices. This universal travel adapter is compatible with over 150 countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, China, Australia, and New Zealand. It supports Type A, C, G, and I plugs, making it versatile for international travel. It is important to remember that the adapter does not convert voltage, so high-power devices such as hair dryers and straighteners may not be suitable. In conclusion, the Acer 70W GaN Universal Travel Plug Adapter is a compact, reliable, and versatile solution for travelers who require fast charging and worldwide compatibility in one convenient device. Number 3. The TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter 28W is an essential tool for any traveler who needs to charge multiple devices safely and efficiently while abroad. Its gray and white design is both modern and functional, and it weighs only 140 grams with dimensions of 3.1 by 2.3 by 2.7 inches, making it compact and easy to carry in luggage, backpacks, or even a small handbag. Its space-saving design ensures it will not take up unnecessary room during travel. This universal adapter covers over 150 countries, including most of Europe, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Italy, Spain, France, Germany, Greece, Portugal, the United States, Canada, Japan, New Zealand, Australia, Argentina, and China. It supports Type C, G, I, and A plugs, allowing seamless connectivity worldwide and making it ideal for international travelers. Equipped with 3 USB-C ports providing 15 watts per port and 2 USB-A ports providing 12 watts per port, the adapter allows simultaneous charging of up to 6 devices. The combined output of all USB ports is 5.6 amps or 28 watts. Additionally, it features 1 AC outlet capable of supporting up to 2,500 watts, accommodating a wide range of plug standards and devices. For safety, the TESSAN adapter includes dual 10-amp fuses, ensuring protection during use. It is important to note that it is not a voltage converter, so high-power appliances such as hair dryers and straighteners must be dual voltage to operate safely. Overall, the TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter combines compact design, multiple charging options, and global compatibility, making it an excellent choice for international travel. Number 2. The TESSAN 2-Pack European Plug Adapter. USB-C is an outstanding travel accessory for anyone visiting Europe who needs to charge multiple devices efficiently. Each adapter is designed in a modern white and gray color and is compact and lightweight, weighing just 3.48 ounces, with dimensions of 3.15 by 2.24 by 2.63 inches. Its compact form makes it easy to carry in luggage, backpacks, or a handbag, while the four-sided design ensures that adjacent plugs will not be blocked when using larger adapters. These adapters are compatible with a wide variety of European countries, including Italy, Spain, France, Portugal, Greece, Iceland, Germany, Switzerland, Netherlands, Turkey, and Poland. Travelers should note that Type-C adapters are not supported in the United Kingdom, Ireland, or Scotland. Additionally, these adapters are not voltage converters. Devices such as hair dryers, straighteners, or curling irons must support 100 to 250 volts dual voltage to be used safely with this adapter. The TESSAN adapter supports 7 devices simultaneously, featuring 4 AC outlets with a maximum of 2500 watts, 1 USB-C port delivering 15 watts, and 2 USB-A ports providing 2.4 amps each. This combination allows fast and reliable charging for smartphones, tablets, laptops, earphones, and other essential electronics, eliminating the need for multiple adapters while reducing wait time. Overall, the TESSAN 2-Pack European Plug Adapter USB-C is a highly reliable, compact, and versatile travel companion. Its combination of portability, multiple charging options, and robust design makes it perfect for frequent travelers exploring Europe. Number 1. The Baseus 70W Universal Travel Adapter Enercore CG11 is an excellent choice for travelers who require fast, reliable, and versatile charging solutions while abroad. Finished in a sleek black design, this adapter is compact with dimensions of 2 by 1 by 2.5 inches, making it easy to pack in luggage, backpacks, or purses. Despite its small size, it provides exceptional functionality and convenience for multiple devices. This universal adapter supports over 200 countries and regions, including the United States, Europe, Asia, and Australia. It features 4 plug types, Type-C, A, G, and I, allowing travelers to connect to a wide variety of sockets without worrying about compatibility. One of its standout features is the built-in retractable USB-C cable, braided with durable nylon, which delivers up to 70 watts of power. This eliminates the need to carry extra charging cables and ensures fast and convenient charging for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The Baseus adapter is a 6-in-1 charging solution, capable of charging up to 6 devices simultaneously. It includes multiple USB ports and an AC outlet, making it perfect for travelers with several electronic devices. Safety is a priority, with fireproof and shock-resistant construction, dual 10-amp fuses, and protections against overpower, overheating, and short circuits. UL, CE, and FCC certifications provide additional assurance for users. It is important to note that this adapter is not a voltage converter, so devices must support 100 to 250 volts dual voltage to use the AC outlet safely. Overall, the Baseus 70W Universal Travel Adapter offers portability, multi-device charging, and safety, making it an ideal companion for international travel. Thank you for joining us as we explored the best travel adapters of 2026. With these adapters, you can charge multiple devices safely and efficiently while traveling around the world. From fast-charging USB-C ports to universal compatibility, these adapters are perfect for any traveler. Do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. Safe and happy travels!